Hello, today we are going to talk about our new Direct Print Pro extension for manufacturing. If you're already using our Direct Print Pro module, you can install this extension for free from our portal or from Odoo apps. After installing on your database, you will unlock new printing scenarios for your manufacturing flow. So, as you can see, we are in the print scenarios menu. If I click on new, we can check the list of all scenarios, and here we can see 6 new scenarios which can be used for your manufacturing flow. Let's check how it works. On example, print documents on production order after production. I already activated this scenario, here it is. As for other scenarios, first of all, we can choose what report we want to print. In my case, it will be production order. Specify the number of copies. Choose to what printer you want to send our print job. I will be sending it to my virtual printer PDF writer. And if it's necessary, edit the domain editor. Let's navigate to the manufacturer menu and create a new manufacturer order. Let's choose a product, let desk lamp with their components, clicking on save, confirm, and after clicking on produce all button, I don't need to click nothing extra. My document will be automatically sent to my virtual printer. Here it is, and the production order have been printed. This is how it works. As I mentioned, this is only one scenario from the list. Additionally, we have scenarios for printing a single and multiple product and lot labels, and print production reports on status change. Feel free to try our manufacturer extension in your manufacturer flow. Hope it will be helpful. Thank you.